All right, so we don't have a greatest common factor, so now let's just go ahead and factor it into two binomials. This sign right here tells us the signs are the same, and this tells us that they're both going to be positive. We have that. Now we can't just plug in x here and x here because you have 2x squared. So what we need is factors of 2x squared. Well, that's just going to be 2x and 1x. That multiplies to give us 2x squared, and that will go in this spot and this spot. And then we need two numbers. It's located here and here that will multiply to give us 2. Well, that's just 2 and 1. And from here, we need to take each of these factors and multiply with each of these factors, and we'll get two products. And those products have to have a sum of 5. Since the signs are the same, it's going to be a sum, and it needs to add up to 5. So if we do 2 times 2, that gives us 4x. And 1x times 1 gives us 1x. That adds up to 5. That's what we need. So I'm going to plug in the 2 and the 1 in these spots here. Now, it doesn't matter where we put them because here, positive 2, and here we have positive 1, and the signs are the same. But remember, this 2 right here that's located in this spot has to get multiplied with this 2x. So that means I'm going to put the 2x here and this x here. So now if I want to check to make sure my work is correct, I'm just going to take 2x times x, 2x times 2, 1 times x, and 1 times 2. So now we get 2x squared plus 4, or plus 5x, actually, because you combine these two terms, and then plus 2. Look, that's the same thing that we started with. So we know we have it factored correctly. So now we take each of these expressions and set them equal to 0 because it's equal to 0 up here. So x plus 2 equals 0. We solve it. So we'll subtract 2. And x will equal negative 2. That's one solution. Then we'll take the 2x plus 1, set that equal to 0. So minus 1. 2x equals negative 1. Then we'll divide by 2. And x equals negative 1/2. So there are two solutions. X equals negative 2. And x equals negative 1/2.